Exodus 15:22. It says, Moses brought Israel from the Red Sea. Then they went out into the wilderness of Shur. And they went 3 days in the wilderness and found no water. Now, when they came to Marah, they could not drink the waters of Marah, for they were bitter. Therefore, the name of it was called Marah. And the people complained against Moses, saying, what shall we drink? We cried out to the Lord, and the Lord showed him a tree. And when he cast it into the waters were made sweet. Right? Oh, here's something interesting in Exodus 23. All right. So they came to Marah, but they could not drink the water of Marah because it was bitter. That is why it is named Marah. All right. And so when we look at the highlighted part where it says, because it was bitter, we have ki marim hem. Now, Hebrew students, basic Hebrew. Now, this one right here could be a personal pronoun that can mean what? Him. If you remember, this is one of the first lessons talking about pronouns. Him. It's a personal pronoun because the verse says because it was bitter, when Hebrew is saying something else. They. So let me reread this real quick. So they came to Marah, but they could not drink the water of Marah because they were bitter. That is why it was named Marah. All right. This verse is really saying that they were bitter. So they couldn't drink the water because they were bitter. It wasn't the water. It was them. This is why we say that the physical and spiritual merges, because your psychological bitterness can change the perception of how you view everything. They were so bitter that they couldn't even see the blessing that was right in front of them. And that's what happens when you become bitter. When you can become bitter, your mind becomes so clouded that everything around you becomes negative. You miss on opportunities because now you enter into a realm of bitterness and you just in this constant funk of being negative.